Welcome to this tutorial video. The goal of this video is to show you how to set up your preferred default Create Action button. The default Create Action button can be found in the diary screen in the top right-hand corner. By default, the action is to create a new booking. Other actions that the button can be changed to are New Task and New Operation. To change the button to your preferred action, click on the Settings button in the top right corner. In the Settings window, click on the Diary Settings tab. Then, click on the Diary Settings panel to expand it. In this panel, go to the default Create Action setting. Click on the drop-down to select either of the three action options. If you choose the None option, the button will remain as the default new booking. After you have selected your option, click on the Save button. You will then see that your action button has changed to the option you chose.